everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Lois gift card online. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. You can easily redeem your gift card online while shopping with Lois.com. You can use your gift card as a payment method while checking out with a product, so let me show you how you can do that. Click open a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar that pops up at the very top, type in www.lois.com and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official website of Lois.com. Go and click the sign in button with a human figure in it at the upper right hand corner from the main home page. Now, click on Sign in or Create Account button. Enter your email address followed by your password associated with Lois.com. Once you're logged into your account, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner right next to My List. Soon after you do that, scroll down to Wallet option and give it a click. Right next to Payment Method tab, click on Gift Card Options. Now, click on Add a new gift card from this page. Enter your card number that is available at the back of your gift card by gently removing the metallic strip. Once you enter your card number, enter your PIN code on the next field. Soon after you do that, type in your name of the gift card and finally click on Add Gift Card button at the bottom. Soon after you enter a gift card and add it on your account, next time you shop with Lois.com, while making a payment for a product, you can click on Add Lois Gift Cards button and enter your gift card number along with your PIN number and click on Apply. That way, you'll be able to redeem your gift card while making a purchase online during checkout process. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.